Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Labs. So this is the continuation of Python basic series. In this video we will discuss about Python comments. What are the benefits of comment and how many types of comment and how we can do the basic things, how we can do the comments. So I have noted down some points. As we know that comments are of two types. One is single line comment and another one is multi-line comments. So Python has syntax only for single line comments. So we have to find the workaround how we can do multi-line comments. Okay, so first we'll see single line comments. So see single line comments. So we have to use only hash before the line. Then it will treat it, Python will treat this as a comment. Okay, so if we go to the PyCharm ID, let's copy this one and go to the PyCharm ID, and here if we paste this one, see hash symbol supports the single line comments only. If we want to single line as a comment, then just we have to put hash symbol before that. Okay, so this way we can do. And see another way, let's suppose if we want to all these things in a comment, then we have shortcut key. The shortcut key is ctrl plus slash, ctrl plus c, this one. Okay, ctrl plus c, this slash, forward slash. Okay, so this is the shortcut key we can use if we want to at a single shot all these lines we want to comment, then we have to use. And for uncommenting we have to use again this one only, ctrl plus forward slash. Okay, so this will be uncommented, and again if we want, then select this one and ctrl plus slash, so this will be commented. So this is the single line comment about. Okay, but we have some workaround, although we would not recommend that we have to use. See multi-line comments, Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. Okay, and this line we need to understand now, but we will discuss in great details in our coming videos, because this is related to string literals and variables. Okay, so for now just to be with me, and later we will discuss in great detail manner. So multi-line comments, Python does not really have syntax for multi-line comments. Okay, for multi-line we have to use multiple times hash only. Okay, but there is a workaround, because Python ignores string literals that are not assigned to variable. You can use multi-line string. This is not multi-line comment, this is multi-line string. So see, if copy this one and paste here, see if we use triple this one and if we paste here, okay, so this will treat as comment until unless we do not going to assign any variable for this one. So how we assign the variable we'll discuss in the later point of this tutorial, but as of now we need only know we can do this way as well, but this is not the recommended one. Okay, and if we want to comment, then ctrl plus forward slash, see this is treated as comment only. Okay, so triple quotes we can use, but it is not a comment, it is a string literals. Okay, this is string literals. If we say this is string, string, string literals, literals, this is string literals. Okay, and we want to, if we can write as many lines as we want. Okay, so but this will treat it as comment until unless we are not going to assign. Let's suppose if we will assign this one a equals to this one, then in this case print a, and if we are going to run this one, see this is literal, this is literal, this will print. And if we are not going to assign any any value, then see, if we are print 5 plus 6, let's suppose print 5 plus 6, then what happens? If we run this one, see, only 11 is there, nothing, no, I mean this string literals is not coming here. So until and unless we are not going to assign any variable for this one, so it will treat as comment only. But this is not the recommended way. The recommended way only, if we want to multi-line comment, see, if we want to multi-line comments, then just we have to select this one and ctrl /, so this will be comment. Okay, and now, so if we come here only, so because Python ignores string literals that do not assign variable, that are not assigned to a variable, you can add multi-line string. So this is not a comment, this is multi-line string. This is a multi-line string. Okay, so we'll discuss when we will discuss dog string dogs in the later point of our tutorial. So at that time you will know more clear. Okay, so now comes the point, this is the important point actually, benefits of comments. What are the benefits of comment? Benefits: comments can be used to explain Python code. Yes, if any script we are going to write, it would be always recommendable that we have to write the comment always. So this would be easier for another person who comes new in the project. So he or she will understand very clearly that this purpose. This script is for particular purpose. So first one is explain the Python code. Okay, comments can be used to explain the Python code. Another one, comment can be used to make code more readable. That is the obvious thing. Everyone will know that what this script is going to do. Okay, and now the last one, comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Let's suppose if we don't want to execute this one. Okay, we want to execute print print 1 plus 2, and this line we don't want to execute, then do the comment and execute this one. So this line will not be going to execute. So third line is saying only comments can be used to prevent execution when testing codes. So we can prevent the code if we don't want to execute. We use just hash symbol. Okay, so this is all about the comments. Okay, so far we have discussed how we can do single line comment, multi-line comment, and string literals. Okay, these are the things we can use in the comments. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.